Thank you for driving me to work.
You know this is my day off, Sheldon.
Oh, good. I'm not keeping you from anything. Your check engine light is on.
Mm-hmm.
Typically, that's an indicator to, check your engine.
He's fine. It's been on for like a month.
Well, actually, that would be all the more reason to, check your engine.
Sheldon, it's fine.
If it were fine, the light wouldn't be on. That's why the manufacturer installed that light, to let you know it's not fine.
Maybe the light's broken.
Is there a check the check engine light?
Thank you for driving me back to my hotel.
Oh, it's not a problem.
I was going to ask Leonard to do it, but he seemed a bit emotionally unstable, and you don't want someone like that operating heavy machinery.
No, you do not.
Your check engine light is on.
Yeah, I gotta put a sticker over that.
So, Amy, Sheldon tells me you're a neuro something or other?
Neurobiologist. Your check engine light is on.
Yeah, it's okay.
But the light indicates...
Don't bother. I've wasted many an hour tilting at that particular windmill.
Thanks again for taking me to the pharmacy.
Oh, it's no problem. Is everything okay?
Oh, I'm fine. It's just some stomach medication for my trip. There's a remote yet distinct possibility that I may end up in South America.
Remember the old days when I would have said something dumb like, why? That doesn't sound good.
Remember the old days when I used to point out that your check engine light was on?
Yes.
I get ready to stroll down memory lane. Penny, your check engine light.
Yeah, I know it's on, Sheldon. Oh, no. I cannot afford this right now.
Maybe it's just something minor. Oh, good news. The light just went out.